Ew, Pit! Ayan! Recovery mode tayo. Pili, paninda. Recovery, easy mode, active recovery. So ayan, very hot. Yesterday was not a very hard, a hard day. Kaya recovery tayo ngayon. Yan. Yan. Isang oras lang, 1 hour ride, easy ride na may bag.